I saw this question on YouTube, and I have my way of doing it, and I think my way is very, very good. At least nobody has done it. In, Nobody has done it in that way, so it's worth sharing here. Now, I suppose x is a complex number. X is equal to a plus bi, and a and a b both are real numbers. Now then, since these two numbers, the sum is a real number, therefore these two numbers must be symmetric with respect to the real axis. So this must be the case. This is x plus 2 to the fourth, and this is x to the fourth. Or this is below, this is up. There's a same situation for analyzation. Okay, then this is a argument of x plus 2 to the fourth after multiple of 2 pi's, and this is the angle, the argument of x to the fourth after the multiple of 2 pi. Okay, then argument of x fourth, this angle, according to the de Moivre theorem, this is equal to 4 times argument of x, which is equal to 4 times arctangent b over a. And similarly, the argument of x plus 2 to the fourth, based on the de Moivre theorem, this is 4 times argument of x plus 2, which is 4 times arctangent b over a plus 2. Okay, good. Now, case 1, the first possibility, these two complex numbers after 4 times that, they all landing on the real axis. That means this one, x plus 4 plus 2 to the fourth, this is x fourth, right? They're both on this real axis. And then the modulus are, the argument is 0. This argument is 0. So in other words, arctangent b over a is 0. And this equal to 0. So b equal to 0, right? So that means b equal to 0. So this means that x is equal to a. Right? Then, of course, we have the equation from the given, that is a plus 2 to the fourth, right, plus a to the fourth is equal to 82. 82 is what? 82 is 3 to the fourth plus 1, right? 1 is 1 to the fourth. So from this, we can easily observe that a is equal to 1, or a equal to negative 3, right? That is 3 and 1. Yeah. So which means that x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to minus 3. So we find the two solutions for these equations based on case 1. See? Now case 2, is that when these two complex numbers, the angle is the same, the angles are same, this angle is equal to this angle, and this modulus is equal to this modulus. Therefore, end up with the sum of these two has no imaginary part, right? This is the one possibility. And if we can find x based on this possibility. Okay, which means that this angle is equal to negative that angle. That means the full arctangent b over a plus 2 is equal to negative this angle, right? 4 negative 4 over this. And 4 cancel out. Like arctangent this one equal to negative arctangent that one. So it end up with b over a plus 2 is equal to negative b over a. We know that b is not 0. B is not 0. If b is 0, then we go back to case 1. So, which means that AB is equal to negative AB minus 2B, right? B is not 0. So we can find A, solve this equation, A equal to negative 1, which means that our X is equal to negative 1 plus BI. Yeah, this is the situation based on case 2. Based on these two angles are equal, negative, and they are same modulus. Then we can find x by putting this into the original equation, which means this one plus 2 is 1 plus bi to the fourth, right? When x is equal to this, plus minus 1 plus bi to the fourth is equal to 82. Okay, how to solve this one? We first square this one. This is equal to 1 minus b square, yeah, plus 2 bi, yeah, square this one, plus this one is 1 minus b square minus 2bi square is equal to 82. Okay, then we square again. Square this one, and we only consider the real part because this side has no imaginary. So we just calculate the real part. The real part would be 1 plus b square This square is the real part, is minus 4b square, right? Imaginary part, forget. And plus 1 minus b square squared, and minus 4b squared is equal to 82. So this one is equal to that. So which means that 1 minus b square minus 4b square is equal to 41. Now it's easier because this square is equal to b fourth minus 2b square plus 4b square minus 6b square minus 41 plus 1 is a minus 40. So we can find a b square using quadratic formula. This is equal to 2, this is 6, plus or minus the square root. 36 minus becomes a plus 160. So this one is equal to 6 plus or minus 196, right? 196 is a 14 square, so this is equal to 6 plus or minus 14 over 2. Since b square is positive, so we take only positive, that is 10. Yeah, good. So which means that b is equal to plus or minus root 10, right? Since x is equal to minus 1 plus bi, so which means that x3 and x4 are negative 1 plus or minus. Yeah, that is other solutions. So x1 is this, x2 is this, x3, x4 is this. Wow. See, I think this method is very good. I haven't seen anybody did it, so I would like to share with you. I hope you like it.